Ang journey from the west to the southeast ay 4 na oras lang. Para sa iba, boring ang long drives. Pero para sa amin, it's a transition. Kaya naman, let's discover Wexford with some of my friends. And alam naman natin na there's a different kind of joy when you travel with others. Andiyan na yung kulitan at tawanan. At mga kwento na usually lumalabas lang kapag kayo ay pumunta sa ibang lugar. For us, it's a reminder that while solitude is good, community makes the journey lighter. We stayed at a spot called Salty Bound. It's a perfect location, just a 5-minute drive papuntang Kilmarquay Fishing Village. At 30 minutes away naman from Rosslare Harbor if you're catching a ferry. Our room had a double bed and a sofa bed. And kung more than 3 kayo, meron pang another room na good for 2 people at pwede din sa mga bata. At ito naman ang kanilang bathroom. At ito naman ang kitchen part. Pagkatapos ng mahabang biyahe, we just stayed in. We prepared our own food in the kitchen. And watched a movie. No big plans, just comfort. Sa pag-document mo ng buhay, ang katahimikan na nagaganap ay may kaparehong kahalagahan kagaya ng mga malawak na landscape na nakikita natin dito sa Ireland. Inumpisahan namin ang Sabado ng umaga sa harap ng dagat. You can start a Wexford vlog without a little treat, right? Kaya naman, we just stopped by the grounds inside the old snow cottage here in Kilmarquay. It is highly recommended to grab a hot chocolate and a fresh croissant, the perfect morning combo to take with you while you explore. We're walking down to the harbor now, and the view here is just incredible. But there's a lot more to Kilmarquay. Alam niyo ba na local history calls these waters the graveyard of 1,000 ships because of how treacherous the coast used to be for old sailing boats. There's even a beautiful memorial garden right here dedicated to those lost at sea. After attending the 10 a.m. Mass in town, we headed to a place called Simon's for breakfast. Sometimes, we eat just to be satisfied. But here, you eat to be present.
You were smart kids. Thank you.
Our bill was around 15 euro. But the feeling of not being in a rush, that's priceless. After our breakfast, we headed to Cahors. We took a walk along the Strand. This coastline has so much history. It's been a lookout, a fishing hub, and a place of refuge for centuries. As you walk the path near the sea, you feel the scale of the world. Ang pier dito para kang nasa dulo ng mundo. Hindi mo talaga maiiwasang namnamin ang present moment. You can't think about yesterday's problems or tomorrow's task when feeling the refreshing breeze coming from the calming sea. Kasi minsan, we often mistake being busy for being alive. Pero dito, sa Wexford, I realize that presence is a virtue. You don't need to be always busy. Sometimes, the most productive thing you can do is just witness the world. After a day shaped by the sea breeze, we found ourselves tucked away in a local spot here in Cahors. You might not expect to find a deeply comforting tofu curry on a coastal Irish menu. We traveled across counties, spent roughly €150 to €200 all in. But the lessons we're taking home? They didn't cost a cent.